morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then there is a link in the description below that you can use to create an account and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. G'day Winston, I hope you're well. So for today's scan or watch list, I'm just gonna have a quick look at the top 10 to see what's going on. So as you can see on Bitcoin on the daily chart, we're just moving sideways. We've been saying this for quite some time, just in this little range with resistance at around 20,500 and support at around 18,500 that we've tested numerous times and just rejected. So I'm not really looking for any long-term long trades on Bitcoin until we break the 20,500 or any shorts until we break out of this range here. We can have a look lower. Yeah, there's just no trends. Ethereum is much the same, although it has broken out of this support here, and we're just crab walking sideways. So this is not really the markets that we want to be trading as trend traders, because there is no trend and it's just sideways. 4 hour is not telling us much either. It's just crab walking. We do have a little bit of a level there, but yeah, I'm not watching that. Binance. Have a look at the daily. So we do have a really nice level here on the daily that we're watching for. If we do see some selling off down into that level, I'll be looking to short off that level, but that's going to be a few days away. XRP doing its thing. It's just yeah, overall it is sideways. Now Cardano is one that is sort of bucking the trend. It is moving lower. Let's have a look lower. 12 hour, nothing really there. The 4 hour, nothing there either. Yeah, there's not much to say about ADA. Now, Solana is in the watch list. We'll go into that in a bit. Doge sitting on support. Nothing much to say about that. Dot, same again, sitting on support. Shiba, yeah, overall, we just need the market to move, and feels like we've just been really quiet for quite some time, just crab walking sideways. So I think if a news announcement does come out, we will see some drastic moves either to the upside or the downside. We just need to wait for those to come, and we just need to be prepared. Now LDO is breaking out, so it's pulled back into that cradle zone. It's just popped through that. It is in the list because it is moving. Now we did have a nice breakout set up on the 4 hour time frame, so well done 21 that did catch that. It's continued to move. You would have locked in profit, but it's the 1 hour time frame that I'm watching for. There's some cyclicity there. It seems to be pulling back into the cradle zone and then shooting off again. So it's in the list for that reason, hoping for a pullback into the cradle with a nice bullish candle. Now C98 is in the list. We're watching a breakout to the upside. A solid level there of resistance. It looks like it is testing that right now. We could even go lower and potentially move this level up to here, a more accurate level. It's building into that nicely. It's what we want to see. We want to see some an explosive move out of that that resistance level, and then yeah, focus on pullbacks. Chili's is another one with a nice level through here on the 15. Let's have a look at the 1. Yeah, the 1's probably a little bit better. We've had 2 tests. It did break through, so now a pull back onto that level is what we're after. Phantom, similar to C98, just testing levels, testing A level, sorry, I should say. And yeah, we're just waiting on an explosive move out of that with a pullback to the level for a cradle trade. There is a nice trend there as well. Solana. Well, one thing I should mention on Phantom is I've got a level drawn through here on the daily. 1 test, 2 tests. It has. Oh, sorry, not that level. This level through here. It was support. It could potentially now act as resistance. So if we are looking to take a long trade on Phantom, we'd want to make sure that we can hit our targets before this level. Now, I'm not saying that it will hold any significance, but it is just a point to note. Solana. We had 2 tests here on the 1 hour time frame. It did look like it tried to break through. It's semi rejecting that right now. There is a trend there, so a pullback into that cradle zone just to make sure you can hit your targets before this level. If we do see some buying, a pullback onto that level would be great. And Rose Perp was in the list for a breakout. This was last night on the 4-hour time frame, so we did see 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests. It has broken through. A pullback onto that level is what we're after. So we do have a small list of tokens to keep an eye on today. I'm just interested to see what the market does, whether we see some buying continue throughout the day and we do move higher, or we continue in that sideways market sort of price action where we see one day of buying, one day of selling, and it's really hard to trade as trend traders. So yeah, let's just see what today brings. But that's the list of tokens that I'll be keeping an eye on. I'll do another scan a little later on. It doesn't look like there will be anything really setting up this morning, so probably early this afternoon I'll do another scan and create a watch list. So if you are in the community, I'll share my watch list, and if you're not in the community, then there is a link in the description below to our Discord. Come join. It's completely free. So yeah, I'll hope you all have a great day, and I'll chat to you guys soon.